kings and queens, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also fine, and today we are going to the mall. I'm going with my two girls, my two favorite girls. And I'm going to show you inside, okay? I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to give you a tour. What is the name of this mall?
Bawabet Shark.
Bawabet
Al Shark.
Al Shark.
Yes.
Bawabet Al Shark. This is the outside of the mall.
Hi my people, how are you doing? Tomorrow we are traveling for Eid. I'm going with my co-worker because we are going to clean. So every Eid we travel to Ras Al Khaimah. In case you have ever lived in UAE or you're in UAE, I know you have ever heard of Ras Al Khaimah. So that's where my boss's parents are from. So every Eid we travel there like for the celebrations. It's roughly like 2.5 hours from here to that place. For my bosses, they are going to come in the evening. They will find us there. Yeah, so right now I'm preparing. So every time we are going, I have to look for the things that they are going to sleep on, like the bed sheets, the bed covers. Like I have to pack everything for everyone. I'm not supposed to forget. So I have to pack the clothes for the boys, the two boys. I have to check the things they are going to sleep on, so that when we reach there we make the beds and everything, so when they come, because they will be coming at night, so that they can find the place clean and where to sleep. The place is so dirty because it's been like maybe a year ever since we went there, so I know it's so dusty. So we have a lot of things to do tomorrow. I think we are going in the morning, and I will take you along, you guys, so that you can see. If you have been on this channel, you know that place. You have ever seen that place on this channel. Right now I'm going to pack the things. I'm not taking you guys because I'm going in their rooms and I'm not supposed to film there. So I'm going to go there I've already finished to prepare the bed sheets and bed covers. I've put them in the bags. So now I'm going to prepare the clothes for the kids. And then after I will come and prepare my things, my stuff, my bag also, so that by tomorrow I will be ready. Yes, so let me go, guys. I've packed my bag. This is my bag. This is my go-to bag. So I've put clothes here, my shoes. This is my handbag. And I've put some of the things here, my wipes. I have these small bags where I put my skincare, everything that I need. So let's go, guys. Yana, say hi to my vlog. Anna, say hi. Hi. Say Eid Mubarak. Today is Saturday and we just got back home from Ras Kaima and I have a lot of things to do. I just said let me end my vlog. I know it's short. That's all that I managed to film for you guys because on the Eid day someone took my charger and my battery went off, so I didn't film anything at all. I filmed like those clips that you have seen in the video, and then my battery went off. Couldn't find anybody that had an iPhone charger. They had the iPhone Type-C charger and mine is just the normal iPhone. So I said let me come and end this vlog here, you guys. And thank you so much in case you have watched to this end. I love you so much, you guys. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like the video and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Right now I have a lot of things to do. I'm going to wash clothes. That is going to be another video. I'm going to show you right now the things, just as small. It's already night. I think it's around 8. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to sort out bed sheets because I need to wash them. So yeah, that is what is happening this side. You guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.